Hello everyone, welcome to my student math tutor channel. So for today, I'll be covering the trigonometry topics. So you have learned trigonometry in Math 10, Pre-Calculus 11. So for today, we'll be jumping into Pre-Calculus 12, trigonometry. So the first thing you're going to learn is the radian angle measures. So we'll be talking about the radian measures. So before going deep into the topic, I want you guys to think about this in a moment. So here in the left picture, I show you a circle. So there's a circle with the radius equals to r. So two radius here, we have an angle theta and we have the arc length AB. So I want you to think about this question. So what's the relationship between arc length, the radius, and the angle theta? So could we have a formula to relate these relationships? So I'll give you time a second to think about this. Okay, so I hope you guys have answer in your mind. So if you don't have any answers, that's fine. Okay, so let's get started. So basically, what is the definition of 1 radian? So the 1 radian definition tells you that when the arc length equals to the radius, then the angle theta equals to 1. So this is the definition. The arc length and the radius are equal. When this happens, the angle here equals to 1 radian. So this is a formal definition of 1 radian. So you may be asking, what about 2 radian or 3 radian? So let's take a look for another example. So we have a definition of 2 radian when the arc length is 2 times greater than the radius, then the angle theta equals to 2. So could you see that? If this arc length is 2 times greater than the radius, I know that the angle theta equals to 2. So 3 radian is the same thing, right? So when the arc length is 3 times greater than the radius, then the angle theta equals to 3. So how could you generate the relationship between arc length theta and the radius? So if you think about this for a moment, if we take the radius times an angle, we got the value of the arc length. So could you see that if I take angle, radius multiply together, we get the arc length. So this is the relationship of arc length, theta, and the radius, right? So this is the formula we're going to use in this chapter. So these are the two formulas you need to know for this chapter. So the arc length equals to the radius times the angle theta, or angle theta equals to arc length divided by radius. So basically, if you move the radius to the other side, you divide it by r. So you got this equation. So remember, the theta must be in radian measures. So this is really important. So for this angle right here, all are radian measures, right? So everything is in radian. If this is not a radian measures, these formulas are not correct. You need to make sure the angle is in radian measures. So I hope you guys learn a lot in this video. So I'll see you next time.